High above Santiago de San Pedro, Pérez Zeledón, the land rises to meet the clouds. Just 45 minutes from the city of Pérez Zeledón, in the foothills of the Chirripó mountain range, lies a massive 12-hectare property, over 120,000 square meters of untouched mountain terrain. Sitting above 1,000 meters, cool highland air replaces coastal heat, opening onto sweeping valley views and towering ridgelines. This is more than land. It's a living sanctuary. As a critical ecological buffer to Costa Rica's highest peaks, this property teems with biodiversity found almost nowhere else. Fiery-billed aracaris and keel-billed toucans move through the canopy. Swallow-tailed kites drift on the mountain wind. White-faced capuchin monkeys swing through ancient branches, while coatis forage below in the undergrowth. Towering Spanish cedar and centuries-old oaks rise above giant tropical tree ferns, and wild orchids bloom in the rolling afternoon mist. A forest still exactly as nature intended. And then there's the water. Cutting through the heart of the property, the San Juan River carves its way down the mountainside. Clear, cold, and constant. Its current builds, gathers, and finally releases in a stunning waterfall, tumbling through the jungle in a curtain of white water and mist. It's the kind of natural feature developers dream of and nature lovers never forget, a private river and waterfall running right through the land. This is Santiago de San Pedro, where mist meets mountain, where rivers still run wild, and the forest keeps its oldest secrets. A place where Costa Rica's Pura Vida spirit lives in every ridge, every current, every wing beat overhead. 12 hectares, one untouched corner of paradise.